Hey peeps, Sarah here from Sparrow Springs, and I am super excited to show you this video. As some of you know, I've been fighting with my blue and gold abstract concept for a little while now, and I finally have something that I'm happy with. So let me show you what I did. Alright peeps, thanks for watching. If you want to know when this print becomes available for purchase, make sure you sign up for my email list in the description, and then you'll get an instant 20% discount code as well. So, good stuff. And as always, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, and I hope you have a good day. I'll see you later, peeps.